Welcome back to my channel, Knowledge Insights. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on tips about freelancing, tech careers, and making money online. The channel Knowledge Insights is all about knowledge or information about various field, profession, career or informative stuff. In our last video, we discussed content writing, what it is, who it's for, and how much you can potentially earn from it. If you missed that, check it out first so you understand the base concept. To summarize quickly, content writing is primarily focused on delivering informative, engaging, and SEO-optimized content, like website pages, product descriptions, email newsletters, white papers, or even e-books. Content writers usually work for agencies, startups, or on freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Content writing involves creating written material for digital platforms, and it's mostly business focused. It's used to inform, educate, or persuade the audience for marketing or branding purposes. Common types of content writing: website landing pages, product descriptions, social media captions, email newsletters, white papers and case studies, SEO articles for businesses, scripts for videos or podcasts. In previous video, I have explained content writing in detail. What is this? Which skills are required? Earning potential. You can watch the full video, link is in bio. Next one is, what is blogging? Now, let's talk blogging, a word often confused with content writing. Blogging is a long-form, personality-driven form of content creation. While content writing is usually done for clients, blogging is often self-owned. You're the writer, editor, and publisher. Sometimes even the marketer. Bloggers write for their own websites. You choose the topics. You control the audience and monetization. It's more about building a personal brand, attracting traffic through SEO, and then monetizing that audience through ads, affiliate links, digital products, or sponsorships. Content writing versus blogging. Key differences. 1. Ownership. Content writing. As a content writer, you're usually hired by businesses, agencies, or individuals to write for their platforms. You don't own the content once it's delivered. Your name might not even appear on it. Ghostwriting. Blogging. When you're a blogger, you typically run your own blog. You create, publish, and manage content under your name or brand. You have full control over the blog and its direction. 2. Goal. Content writing. The main goal is to meet a client's objectives, like increasing conversions, providing information, improving SEO, or selling products/services. Blogging. Blogging can serve various goals like educating, entertaining, or expressing personal opinions. While it can support a business, bloggers often write about topics they're passionate about. 3. Monetization. Content writing. Writers are usually paid per word, per article, or on a monthly/project basis. The income is often fixed depending on the agreement, regardless of how the content performs online. Blogging. Bloggers earn through ads, Google AdSense, Ezoic, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, selling digital products, and more. Income varies but can become passive and scalable over time. Summary. Choose content writing if you enjoy writing on varied topics, prefer stable income, and are comfortable working behind the scenes. Choose blogging if you're ready to invest in building a brand, monetize in multiple ways, and enjoy full creative control. In my upcoming video, we'll go deep into blogging, what skills you need, how to start your own blog in 2025, what niches are profitable, and how much bloggers actually earn. Spoiler: some make 6 figures a year. So, if you're interested in blogging as a freelancer, side hustler, or full-time creator, make sure to drop a comment and let me know you're excited for that. Did you find this comparison helpful? Let me know in the comments. Do you see yourself more as a content writer or a blogger? Don't forget to check out Binlogics.com. If you need any IT services like web development, cloud integration, or app development, we work with clients across the US, Canada, Europe, and beyond. Subscribe for more insights. And I'll see you in the next video.